Yeah, here we have my 1981 Regal. Just taking a couple of videos and pictures before I do the motor swap. Right now I got the 3.8 V6 231. I'm gonna take that out and go with the 6.0 V8. So I'm just taking a couple of videos. Look kind of low right there, but I'm out of the driveway onto the road. I done took the soft top off and got a couple of holes. So if anybody got like certain stuff that they use to fill in some holes, just let me know. First little project. I mean, paint job look good. It just looked like that because I sprayed some stuff on it for the rust. So when I wash the car, all that'll just come straight off. Overall, man, the car good. I paid $1,100 for the car and I drove it home. So it's gonna need a little work. But here go the inside. Door panel. Seat's got a couple rips in it, but that'll be okay. I'm gonna go with the Monte Carlo SS bucket seats. Steering column messed up. I mean, it's kind of loose. You see, it's loose. I need a dashboard too, like if anybody had one of them. And the rear, the one for the rear. Yeah, that's the interior. I'm gonna crank it up for y'all. Motor runs strong, no ticking, nothing like that. I'm gonna pop the hood for y'all, let y'all see what the motor looking like. Oh, for any of you guys that have did the V8 motor swap with the 81, well, with any G body, Regal, Monte Carlo, Malibu, just let me know something, man. It's my first time doing it. I'm gonna need a little help. Here we go, 231 V6, run good, no knocking, no ticking. Everything's gonna be straight. Alright, man, let me know something, man.